Welcome to MotorMav. Today, we have come with a quick video on car maintenance tips. Due to lack of maintenance, most of our cars don't run in good condition. As a result, cars need servicing every other day. And we have to count, servicing costs a lot. So, today, I'll share some basic tips for regular car maintenance in the long run. First, check your engine oil regularly. Use a dipstick to measure it. Change it if the oil gets too greasy or grayish color. Also, other liquids, like brake oil, engine oil, coolants etc., should be checked after a certain period and changed. Next, check your tire pressure before you go on a drive. Use a tire pressure gauge. Make sure the pressure matches the recommended PSI, pounds per square inch, listed on your driver's side door jamb. Also, don't keep driving with the spare tire for a long time. Change it as soon as it gets damaged. Don't forget to replace your oil and air filter every time you change the engine oil. A dirty air filter can reduce your car's fuel efficiency and power. Consult your owner's manual for replacement intervals. Number 4 is to swap out parts that are worn, overused parts such as brake pads, window wiper blades, drive belts, timing belts, spark plugs, and air and fluid filters. Remember, driving with rusty parts can decay other parts gradually, too. Finally, keep your car clean. Regular washing after every rough ride helps prevent rust and corrosion buildup. Don't forget to wax it periodically to protect the paint. And yes, nowadays, there are machines to complete car wash and dry out. Just spend a tiny bucks, and your car will be top class. These were basic car maintenance tips you must follow. By following these simple tips, you can ensure your car's long life and performance. Happy driving!